Friends, this reading is for future of cryptocurrencies in India. Now, recently I heard the news that Indian government is planning to ban these cryptocurrencies and start own digital currency. So, what's going to happen? What's going on in Prime Minister's mind, Finance Minister's mind, and what is going to happen? How is the future of Bitcoin, Ethereum in India? So, I will start here with Mr. Modi. Looking at this card, looks like Mr. Modi is worried about use of cryptocurrencies in black market, dark net, etc. So that is the major reason. Looking at card of Finance Minister Mrs. Sitharaman, she feels strongly that India can regulate these cryptocurrencies with a globally acceptable norms, whereas Prime Minister Modi is thinking about use of these cryptocurrencies in black market, arms, purchase of smuggled arms, drugs, etc. So he wants safety. He is thinking about safety of economy, safety of people. So what's going to happen now? As such, looking at these cards, future of Bitcoin in India is not that good, but Ethereum somewhat in next 1 year or so looks okay. But certainly, looking at this card, death card, I can make out that India will start its own cryptocurrency, own digital currency, but not in year 2021. It will be in year 2022 and it will do very well. King of Wands card indicates that Indian cryptocurrency will do very well. So all in all, if anyone has a Bitcoin, any Indian has a Bitcoin, better you should sell it right now before government bans put a ban on it. And I'll suggest people to wait for Indian cryptocurrency. I am sure it will do very well in currency markets. So that's it. Thank you very much.